Alright, I want to show you these Blacklight LEDs that I got. We bought 3 boxes of these. We've only used 2 of them so far. Beware, it says that they are not waterproof, but it says that they are safe to use and easy to install, which I found to be true. In the box, you'll find a power cord and 2 rolls of the LEDs. Each of them on the end have a way to attach to the power cord, and there's also this adapter so that you can plug in both of them at the same time. There's also some hardware included if you want to use that, and also a small manual showing you the cut lines and simply how to install them. Like I said though, they're really easy to install. You just peel off the back tape and tape them where you want them. We taped them along the ceiling, and with 2 boxes we were able to go around this entire room, which is quite large. This is what they look like when they're off. The power adapter has this switch on it. That's how you're going to turn them on. You just flip the switch, and this is what they look like when they're on. Even with the room lights on, I think that they still look really cool. But of course, the real magic happens when you turn the lights off. Looks very, very cool. In real life, they look slightly more purple. That's probably closer to what they look like in real life. The lights work really well as black lights. You can see they make various things glow. Really good, really cool. And yeah, it just really transforms the space. These lights are a ton of fun. Teenagers and kids all love them. So yeah, they're tons of fun, easy to install, and make for a really cool effect. I recommend them. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.